What's going on, guys? Back for another one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you like this content. So we've been seeing and hearing about, obviously in the industry, an uptick of scammers, especially like not only when you hear scammers, it's some people that are in the industry that don't necessarily know what they're doing, but also on the seller side too. You gotta watch out on the seller side. We actually experienced a seller where, you gotta kind of, my job, especially doing acquisitions, you can't ignore the signs. Sometimes people act like there's someone else. Sometimes the title company may tell you that, certain paperwork, whether it's an affidavit, an airship, or title work, etc. Sometimes it's not lining up. It looks a little sketchy. Maybe the timelines and the dates aren't crisp and clean. Don't ignore those signs, because at the end of the day, you can get wrapped up to whatever is going on the opposite side of that.
Yeah, so I gotta give Brent Daniels some credit. He recently came out with a video on it. You guys should go watch it. Shout out to him. He said one of the biggest red flags is a quick claim deed. We had a deal. We were about to make like 40, 60, probably like 70. It was like 70K. It was a big deal. The lady had a quick claim, but she was afraid to meet with the notary. Red flag number 2. But we are so tied to the profit, and now we've learned as a team to not be emotionally tied to the deal. We saw these red flags, and then we realized she did scam, because the owner, we found him in prison. He was in jail. He said someone else quick claimed one of his other houses and actually bought it. So there's some states where real estate fraud is rampant. So if I was you guys, keep your business name out of that. Right. That's the solution. A quick solution would be background check, but not everyone wants to pay for that extra cost. But if a seller had a quick claim deed, I would definitely invest in a background check.
There's no amount of money that's worth your name and your business name being dragged through the mud because you get tied into a situation like that, right? So if you see the red flags, don't ignore them. Take action. Be safe, be smart. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.